So here's another video of my Squawk Talk board I've designed. I've added the 3 relays to the side of the board here, which turn off and on. Light modifications you can make to your machine. I've got a 12-volt flashing light hooked up to the first relay. This relay comes on when the game is in playing mode, when you're coined up and you're actually playing the game. The second relay here, which is hooked to a red LED, comes on when you're in aggressive mode. If you wind up going into the maze, then you can eat the ghosts. The third relay is hooked to a green LED, and that comes on when you're in the maze itself. I modified my software here for my Squawk Talk tester. It now has a menu on it. This is what it normally looks like. If you hit this button here, it goes to discover, which is what I was playing before, where you could discover what sounds are there. And now you can go to simulate, and I've got 4 different games that I've recorded the sounds for that it'll play. So it's just like playing the game. And I'll hit play, and we'll go through the game. So they're coined up. The game started, so this relay came on, and it's flashing the light. Goes right into aggressive mode, and I'm in the maze. So all 3 lights are on right now because the game's playing. I'm in aggressive mode and I'm in the maze. And I'll start moving around the maze here. You can hear the sounds. Sounds are playing down here. You can see them go across the screen. And now I've exited the maze. And now I'm moving around. I'm still in aggressive mode. I'm moving around the playfield trying to gather more moves. Oh, I've lost the ball, so now I'm out of aggressive mode. Launch back into the game. Now I've got enough moves, and I move into the maze. So now this light is on. I'm not in aggressive mode, but I'm in the maze. Moving around the maze. And I'm out of the maze now. And I'll move around the playfield trying to gather additional moves to go back into the maze. Oh, got enough moves. And I made it back into the maze again, so this light is on. Oh, it got me, because I'm not in aggressive mode. I'm still in the maze. Got eaten again. And now I'm out of the maze again. And I'm going to go around trying to gather some more points. But I think I'm going to wind up draining the ball. Still gathering points. Or moves. And this is the end. So I've drained the ball. Game will end. It's my last ball. And the game's over and all the lights are out.